Today, we're going to discuss investing. Are you new to investing? There are 3 common mistakes that you should avoid. The first thing, ensure you have a safety net before you invest in a financial product. Ensuring that you have an emergency fund set up or a savings account set up when the market takes a downturn can ensure that you're protected. We all know what happened in 2020 when COVID hit. The market took a downturn. So ensure that you have a safety net set up so that you're protected. Next, evaluate your risk tolerance. See how much you are willing to lose if the market does go down. Understanding this can release some of the stress and eliminate you pulling your funds out of a financial product that will cause you further losses. Next, don't jump on the bandwagon. Do your own research. If you see a product out there that excites you, it's probably not a good investment. If you see an IPO that you're hearing a lot of buzz about, again, do your research so that you're protected when the sell-off occurs. If it's not an IPO, still do your research so you can understand the transparency and the profit that that organization is making. If it's not making a profit, it's probably not a good company to invest in. Always reach out to your financial advisor for investment advice. If you need assistance with evaluating your financial budget, reach out to me at www.harriswealthcoach.com.